Let's start by adding a cube into the scene. Select it and enter modeler mode. Resize it to around 20% in size. Go back to scene mode. Move it to the side. Add another cube and set 3 segments for each axis. Enter modeler mode. Select all polygons. Now subtract the middle selection. Switch to the front view and continue. Switch to perspective view and apply extrude. Adjust the extrude value to 0.33. Once done, go back to scene mode. Set a color for the cube. Shift-select the small cube and the red cube. Apply points clone. Set the percentage to 100%. Set the random scale range from 0.6 to 0.7. Tap on the layer panel and hide the small cube. For convenience, append area lights from another project. Finally, long press the perspective button and switch to orthographic view. Adjust the view. Set the background color. Press the render button. Wait for the noise level to come down. Press pause and save the image. That's all for today, and thank you for watching. Wish you all the best.